trying to say is that online learning, it's really not like how it seems. Let me get out from these fake expectations and tell you guys how it's been in the reality of online learning. God, I'm losing my mind. Can this all go? What the fuck? Oh my god, I think I'm late for class. No, man. Oh. It was at this time he realized he's an online student. That was a bit of a waste of time because I just realized I'm an online student, and that means I don't have to go to campus and I don't have to dress. So today's video I'll be showing you guys some of the expectations and the reality check. I've been an online student for University of Johannesburg for over a week now, and I'm going to be sharing my experience. So the first time I had our second term, which began in the 20th of April, is going to be an online term. Because of the pandemic, I was very excited. Because, you know, we all have these expectations of how online students and how simple it is. And these are some of the things that came into my mind. Imagine just lying in your bed naked, attending a class without leaving the comfort of your own home. That must feel nice. Yes, so what I was trying to say is that the magnificence of the equation doesn't have to collide in order to bring like science, you know. But as well, imagine just at the same time as you're attending a class, but at the same time you could be listening to music, watching a YouTube video. Must be nice. Don't you remember? But as well, the other thing is you're not allowed to eat at class. But imagine if you're an online student, you're able to eat while you're attending a class or doing some of your school stuff. How cool is that? But I went further. Just imagine, you know, sometimes you feel like you have to go to the bathroom and take a shit. I say that because everyone does that. It's part of the digestion system. So don't come for me. And you just have to go out the class and you miss lessons and you miss some of the things that they say, because I mean sometimes the process takes a long time, but not anymore. You can just shit or use the loo and not miss the class and still interact with your people, your lecturers. How cool is that? How cool is that? But I went further. Today I just wanted to do a little bit something different. So since we're doing online schooling, I thought of myself, one of the things that I can do that I wish I could have done, I've seen a lot of people do, is people working from their bathroom, from their bathtub. So I was like, since I have one, why shouldn't I just run my bathtub and try study from the bathtub? So let's go and run the bathtub. First step, you need to close this. Second step, you need to open the water. So what I was trying to say, Professor, is that since the pandemic has started, I'm not smart as I was. So I don't have any input, as I raised my hand earlier, but I must say this has been a very difficult time, especially intellect challenging. Yeah, my God. What I'm trying to say is that online learning, it's really not like how it seems. Let me get out from these fake expectations and tell you guys how it's been in the reality of online learning. So now that I've given you guys the expectations of what most online students have been expecting, first of all, let me know if you're a student and you're doing this online learning. How is online learning to you? How do you find it? And are your expectations your reality? Because for me, it's different. So now I'm going to give you the realities of online learning. First of all, I'm very grateful that I do have the essentials. I mean, I do have a laptop, I do have Wi-Fi at home, which is very essential for online learning. And I really pray, I put in my prayers, people that don't have this to get able to get help or access to laptops and stuff, because not every student has laptops or strong Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi in general. But also the government, I want to pass my gratitude or I want to say thanks to the University of Johannesburg. It's really been putting a lot of effort towards making online learning as accessible to everyone. So they've provided every student, including me, 30 gigabytes a month, which I'm very grateful for. But as well, they do like borrowing people laptops for people that don't have PC, which I think is very grateful. Let me know, what is your institution doing or what is your government doing concerning online learning? Are you guys back to online? I mean, are you guys back to your syllabuses? And what are they doing to make sure everything is going on track? So that's one thing I'm very grateful for. But the biggest problem is that computer competence is still a problem to most people, including myself, including my lecturers, including my tutors. Now and then, while they're presenting, we can't hear them, the mic is off or the mic is not on. Again, network, as much as we have gigabyte, but the network is just, I think, is overcrowded, overwhelmed. So not everyone has strong Wi-Fi when they need it. So that's gonna be tricky, especially when you have exams which are timed. So I'm not sure about that, but let me know if you'll be interested for me to film my first time doing an online exam, and I'm gonna do that for you guys. But I think the biggest problem has just been competence, but I also think they have giving us a lot of assignments prior to before. I feel like they're really trying to put us intact. So we're doing lots of assignment compared to previous when we were at campus. I feel like that. Let me know if you're feeling the same. So basically my day, I don't have classes every day. I have classes 3 times a week like I usually do. Nothing much has changed, but yeah, so I think that's my experience generally. Computer competence is such a problem. We're having a lot of work, overwhelmed with work, and not everyone has access to these assets like laptop and or a tablet. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to urge you to help someone out there that you know is struggling for these assets. If someone is looking for a laptop and you have 2, please borrow, and let's be together through these tough times. I hope you're staying safe and protecting yourself and your loved ones from coronavirus, and I hope this pandemic is gonna come into an end soon. Otherwise, let me know if studies are back for you or someone that you know. How is your country coping with COVID-19 and the education syllabus and everything in general? My name is Jovenchi K. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Follow me on Instagram at Jovenchi K and Twitter at Jovenchi K, and at Snapchat it's Jovenchi. Let's stay communicated, let's stay intact, and hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye. I actually have an assignment to do right now. Wow.